Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Hawaiian Airlines baggage policy. So let's get started. Well, when it comes to the carry-on baggage policy, passengers are allowed one carry-on bag and one personal item, such as a laptop bag. And the carry-on bag dimensions should be 22 by 14 by 9 inches, and it must fit in the overhead bin or under the seat. And when it comes to the checked-in baggage allowance, policies vary by flight class and destination, but for most US and Canadian flights, one free checked-in bag up to 23 kilograms and 157 centimeters. And the economy passengers or some certain route may need to pay for checked bags. And when it comes to the additional fees for baggage, fees apply for additional overweight or oversized. Charges depend on the route and the fare class. And when it comes to the sports equipment and the special items, they may require an advance notice and a special handling or additional fees. And when it comes to the Hawaiian Miles Elite member benefits, elite members may get extra baggage allowance or waive these fees. And the benefits depend on the elite tier and the route flown. But what I would recommend to you is go to their official website for the custom service to get more information about that. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.